Okay, this is the previous gate paper question from the subject of communication system. Okay, this question is given in the year of 2000, in the year of 2003. Okay, the topic is related to the different analog modulation techniques and the methods which are used to generate and demodulate those modulation techniques. Okay, this is the match of the following question. Here the group 1 consists of the devices, particularly ring modulator, voltage controlled oscillator, Foster Seeley discriminator and mixer. Here the group 2 is the related concepts. Those are clock recovery circuit, demodulation of FM, frequency conversion, summing the two inputs, generation of FM and generation of DSBC. Now here there are four in the group 1 four devices are there and corresponding that the six options are given. Now we'll fix the correct matching options corresponding to this one. Okay, here ring modulator. Okay, generally ring modulator is used to generate the double sideband suppressor carrier signal. Now this one is matched with the P. Okay, generation of DSPC. Next, the voltage controlled oscillator. Okay, the voltage controlled oscillator generally is used to convert the voltage into the output frequency. Here the controlling voltage, according to that control voltage, the output frequency is depends. Okay, that is generally used to the generation of FM wave. Okay, now the option for this one is Q. And the next one is the Foster Seeley discriminator. Okay, this is the one of the demodulation techniques of the FM wave. Okay, the option for the demodulation FM is the option R. And the finally mixer. By using the mixer we can translate the frequency from one frequency to another frequency. General mixer is nothing but the combination, the two frequencies are combined and subtracted. Addition and subtraction is taken place. Overall the low frequency is converted to high frequency or high frequency are converted to low frequency. Generally the frequency conversion is taken place by the mixer. Okay, for this one the option is S. Now the correct following is P6, Q5, S3 and R2. Okay, that is P6, Q5, R2 and S equal to 3, this one. Okay, the option is B.